Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to extract any zip file on your Windows 11 computer. Before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. So, let's get started. First, let me open my File Explorer. Here, you can see this is a zip file that is locked. To unlock it, just right-click on the file, then click on Extract All. Now, from here, you can choose the folder where you want to extract this file. I'm going to keep the default location as it is. Then, click on Extract. Now just close this tab. As you can see, next to the original zip file, there is now another folder with the same name that has been extracted. Just open it, and now you can access the files inside. So friends, that's how you can easily extract zip files in Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.